Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today I have the PORMIDO 11-inch rear view mirror dash cam. So today I'm going to show you all the features of the 11-inch PORMIDO rear view mirror dash cam. But stay tuned to the end where I'm going to show you some driving footage. And this is pretty much what it says. Alright, on the top there's a mini USB port. I believe this one might be the rear camera port, micro SD port, and the Type-C USB port. And on the back you got the clamps, where it's a rubber band comes over this and you attach it to your rear view mirror. And here you have the dash cam. And you can see it slided out in case your rear view mirror is too long, and plus is to go over the rear view mirror. And this camera you could actually move to the correct setting that you need to. And then we get into all the contents. Alright, the first thing I'm going to get is the backup wires. Now this is the red wire that gets connected to the tail light, which is pretty much your backup light. It activates the backup feature for the rear view mirror. Now this is the connection for the rear view camera. This is the port for the rear view mirror camera. Alright, it's a lot of cords, so it's pretty long on the cord here. Now this here is the rear camera. And I like this design mount that it comes with to adjust it to the angle that you need. Now this mount does come with screws to attach it to your vehicle if you want, or you could utilize the 3M pads. Alright, now we have the power cord for the dash cam itself and for the rear camera power. And this is the Type-C USB cable. Alright, next is the GPS port here. So this is the GPS portion of the dash cam. And here you have the 3.5 connection, which gets connected to the dash cam. Alright, next what I see is a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. Alright, these are the rubber bands here that connect to the back of the dash cam. If you have a smaller rear view mirror, well, there's another setting right here to put it in, another clasp. And here's another mount I just noticed that it came with the dash cam, and this one has screws as well. So this one comes with 2. Alright, it gives you another 3M pad. Now another spare, which is great, thank you. Oh, and in case you have a larger rear view mirror, they give you an extended size rubber bands for that as well. Then it also has these protective screens, kind of like when you're putting your cell phones, for the rear view mirror. Alright, next of course is the manual. The one thing I like about this dash cam that it comes with a 32 gigabyte micro SD card, which to me is a starter card. The maximum capacity this dash cam can use is a 128 gigabyte micro SD card, and I'll put links in the description down below to purchase, because you got to make sure you get the right one. It has to be a class 10 and a U3 micro SD card. This is a 11-inch mirror dash cam, and it comes with 2 rubber straps. And these straps go around the original factory mirror dash cam. Because it uses 2 rubber straps, you're not going to damage the original factory mirror. The dash cam comes with a Sony dual sensor. The IMX415 with the 6 glass lens gives you the Ultra 4K images and videos with WDR and HDR technology. What it does for you is that it balances all the lighting for you. If it's too dark, it'll lighten it up that we have a clear image. If it's too bright, it'll darken it again so you can have a clear image. Now what I like about this dash cam that it is a touch screen dash cam. where you could adjust the screen right at your fingertips. If you want to adjust the brightness, you move it left to right. No need to go into the menu. You could do it right at your fingertips. So as you're driving and it's daytime and it's too bright, well, you can lower it. And if you drive it at night, you need it more bright, then you brighten it up as well. So that's a great feature. Now this dash cam comes with a 170 degrees wide angle lens, easily covers up to 3 lanes in front of you. Now for the rear camera, it records at a 150 degree angle, which gives you all the details that you need, because remember, this is a rear view mirror. So the 150 degrees gives you all the details and all the views that you need. Now you could adjust all the views from your dash cam. Say you want the front view, you swipe it and you get the front view. If you want a dual side-by-side split screen view, you slide it again. And you want to go back to the rear view, you slide it again. All from the touchscreen menu. A good feature it has is that it has a Type-C power connection. So with the Type-C connection, the connection will always be strong. Now the rear camera comes with the Sony IMX335 sensor, and it's also waterproof. So you can install this inside or outside. So no matter where you install it, if you need to do any adjustments, you could do it right at the screen. You could mirror the image or flip the image. You don't have to go back to the dash cam and adjust anything on the mounts. You do it all at the touchscreen. And if you ever need to adjust the angle, simply touch the screen, move your finger up or down, and it'll adjust the screen from there. Now when you're installing this dash cam and you connect the red wire to the backup lights, your camera becomes a backup camera. Now it is a rear view camera, but when you put your vehicle in reverse, it angles the view lower. That way when you're reversing, it helps you in reversing. Now you could adjust the angle when you're reversing up or down to make sure if you want to get it lower or higher when you're reversing. Now this dash cam also comes with GPS, where it has a compass on your dash cam, and it also displays the miles per hour that you're driving. And you could track all this by installing the GPS player software. Now this dash cam comes with G-sensor, also known as gravity sensor. The G-sensor will automatically detect a collision and will lock that current file and would not be overridden. And then you could use this file for any insurance claims. Now you can set this to low, medium, or high. But for whatever you set it on, make sure you go back in 30 days and look at the files that you have. Because if you have too many locked files, there's not enough room for loop recording. But if you need more information on G-sensor, I'll put a link on the top right for you. This dash cam comes with parking monitoring. The G-sensor will sense any collision or any physical movement to your car while it's parked. It will automatically turn on and record a 15 to 20 second video, and then you can use this video for any insurance claims. But this really works with the hardwire kit. With the hardwire kit, it gives power to your dash cam when the car is off. Now if you need more information on how to install a hardwire kit, I'll put a link in the top right for you. Now in case there's an incident happen while you're driving, it's not happening to you, but you can see the incident. You could hit the emergency lock button and it'll lock that current video and will not be overridden. And that way you could help anybody, or even for yourself, you can use this for any insurance claims. Now next we have loop recording, where you can set this to 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute loop recording. And what this does is it'll erase the oldest video and record a new video in its place. That way you don't have to delete any videos from your dash cam or take your micro SD card and put it in your computer. It does it all for you. But G-sensor and loop recording go hand in hand together. So if you need more information on loop recording, I'll put a link on the top right for you. Now if you ever need to review or play back any videos, you could do this all by your touchscreen. You could get into the menu and you could select videos, you could play the videos. Now when you play back the videos compared to a 2 or 3 inch screen on other dash cams, you get the full view of what you recorded. But it makes it easy to review and delete any files that you do or don't want. Now when you're reviewing your footage from the playback mode, now it records in the front and the back. With the one touch button, you can review your front and your back footage. Now this menu is easy to maneuver. You simply scroll up or down, and at the menu you pretty much select it off or on, or 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes on any settings, or low, medium, or high. It's that easy. You don't have to touch any buttons or click the OK, move left or right on buttons. It doesn't have that. It's all touch screen. It even gives you the amount of space you have in your micro SD card. It'll tell you what the capacity is. It'll tell you how much space that you recorded any videos and even any lock files or even pictures, and it displays all that on your screen. Now, another good feature that it does is that you could take a picture from your dash cam. You don't have to reach for your cell phone. You do it all through your dash cam. Simply press the button and it will take a picture of what you need. All right, now let's go through some driving footage. So what do you think? Is this dash cam right for you? If it is, I'll put links in the description down below to purchase. Don't forget to subscribe and select all notifications for all upcoming videos, because I have more videos of this dash cam coming soon. I have the installation video, I have the menu video, I'm even going to put a video on the GPS player. Now, if this video was helpful for you, please give me that thumbs up. You know I appreciate that from you. If you have any questions or comments about this dash cam or other products I have, leave them in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe!